Rich not always mean right, and you gotta stand for something or you fall for anything. That's my belief that.
Money I take care of. Do you feel like you have a piece of paper?
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed, love, and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Lion and Lion, I speak about myself. I'm not the man of peace, though. Yeah, man, Lionfoot. I'm Eric. Thank God it's Friday. Big up the hard-working people, let me never get them pay. Like how small it is. Work for your honest bread. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, in this episode, I don't know, we see Kraff, talented artist, getting in some trouble with the cops, you know what I mean? And also, we have an artist named Shell. Yeah, he did a solid performance on The Fix. Big up The Fix. Nari. Make sure you don't strike my channel. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So I'm going to hear what I'm going to give my views and opinion on the Kraff situation. See? So before that, I don't know, please like and subscribe and click the bell and share the content. I haven't been active since of lately, but my apologies, you know. Sometimes I don't have the time to come up on YouTube to upload on a regular or a daily basis because I don't. We have 9 to 5 and we have other errands to do. But we have a song I drop soon, Bonnie and Clyde. See? Went and shot the video over in Blaize. Yeah, man, and big up Nige Boy. Nige Boy sound over them song going over there, you see me? Nige Boy, talented artist. Yeah. So we're gonna look a snippet of the Bonnie and Clyde.
I love you so badly. You make me happy. Will you marry me, baby? Girl, I think of you daily. You're my one and only lady. Will you have my baby?
Yeah, man, the video I forward out soon. Big up yourself, Yaz, Talia, Bad Belizean artist. I soon bring her to the forefront, I'm gonna know her for her, yeah? Talented, she have a sound there. Aria Grande sound there, you see me? Yeah? Big up Yaz, Talia. Zine, so anyway, Kraff. See, I look at video circulating with Kraff. Zine and him and the police, them in some altercation. And it has come out in the paper, say, he has been charged for improper misconduct and road traffic breaches. Zine? Now I don't know what was the cause, why them stop him or what are the breaches, what him did I do. If him did a smoke or I use him phone or whatever. But I know him drive a nice Benz, tint up and them thing there. We don't know if at the tinting of the car, the tint is too, because sometimes you have a level of tint where you can use by your car, you know. You can't make it too dark. So I don't know if that is the road traffic break, you see me? The rules, regulations. I don't know if the car is too dark or what, but however, you can't, sometimes you have your right and give it away, you see it? My viewers and subscribers, and Kraff is an artist who are doing things, getting breakthrough and, you know, yeah, can make him family them better and himself better financially and, you know what I mean? But me I say Kraff, it shouldn't have led to that level, you see me? Where you see them handcuff him, and rough him up, and them thing there. Remember, Kraff is an artist, known. Zine? Yeah. So if him simply deal with the officers them accordingly, and say officer, you know, say rare, square. And if I deal with the officers them with respect and in a calm and manner behavior, they will treat you accordingly in a calm and mannered behavior. And say, you know, say the artist, at least him calm and humble, in the hype. We know, say, the Jamaica mentality, we don't like police, we don't like soldier, we don't like the law. Even when the law are doing the job correctly, we have a tendency for not to say we don't like police and them things there. Even when the police are serving and protecting, doing their job correctly, you have bad police, you know. But what I'm trying to say is Kraff, maybe him could have carried out himself better. Deal with the officers them with respect. Maybe they would have let him go and tell him, say, yeah, what? Let's go bring down the tint some more, you know. Maybe they would have let him go, you know. That's my view. Maybe they would have let him go and say, at least go on, you know. But if you got bad police them and behave and way, remember they are the law. You cannot beat them. them can arrest you, tell lie upon you, Zine, and say things where you never say and where you never do. They are the law. Señorita.
¿Cómo está?
Yeah.
Bien?
Yeah. Zine, learning my Spanish, you know? Yeah. But let me know what you think my viewers and subscribers. See, that's just my personal view. Kraff never did have to end up in another situation there. Maybe him should have just humble. But let me know what you think. Now, watch a performance from the artist named Shell. He did an interview on the Fix and I think he performed as well. Big up the Fix. Great work. I like that. Yeah, man. Performance and interview. Love the movement there. Zane, watch out.
Original always mean right, and you go stand for something or you fall for anything. And that's my belief that. Bro, tired for see talent stifle when them a highlight fuckery. Whole heap a copycat, spy life, trust me. Youths will get the break, say them a trap dancehall. Shell they have to free it up the Christ. I must be, hustle dancehall, them they are the heights of the champ. New nugget, learn for budget, know the price of the shop. Them get a bad flow, answer them a lyricist. But when they check it out, them brain shallow the size of the shot, bro. When we a try teach to the school youths, them if I'm not chopping, then a science, bro. Voodoo then. No school youths a go a school a weird gathering. So we little daughters I go get some fool men. Hold on, youths want to chopper, want be one of them cool youth ya. Fi learn for chop and beat woman. And the new roots are some Mr. Artist. Question to you now, sir. What if your daughter get one of them school youth ya? We put bedroom in a song now and I celebrate slackness. Woman a beat them body, whole heap of fake hotness. White people come Jamaica for suntan, but Jamaicans we a bleach, bro. Want to we blackness. Shell out you for bun chopping, bro. What kind of song this? Ya bun out all bleach. In the streets now go grab this. You now go make no money. From a righteousness you.
Alright, so you hear what the artist I say? Yes. Message in the song, you know, man say, yo, slackness, negativity sells over positivity. And he might keep it real and people are telling him, say, yo, for them song they are singing now, go boss. You see me? So, but song bad. Big up Nara, big up Ari. Make sure you don't strike my channel, please and thanks. You see it? Please don't strike my channel for using the content. Positivity, you see it? They're the school one, but I can't go to school with my phone, so I'm just there, so I'm burning off a minute. Zine, but yeah man, Shell, the song bad. Zine, the man make you know say yo, the artists them a sing certain things in the song them. No foundation, no future for the kids them. So it's like the girl them grew up, young girls them come grow up and they with bad man and gunman and no future, you know. Now I said for the younger generation. And that me say in my song, you know. What is wrong with humanity? It release soon. You see it? Yeah man. A lion foot, you know. Blessed love. Big up on yourself. Let me know, saying peace and joy. Go shots.
I'm a proud Jamaican. Me love my country, but I'm worried for the nation. No good examples now set no foundation. The future looks sticky for this and the next generation.